Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the car is safe and powered. Put the transmission in park and switch ignition to accessory or run. Next, on your phone, turn Bluetooth on, and if you've paired many devices before, remove old pairings to avoid conflicts. Keep the vehicle manual or likely PIN handy. Many Fords use 0000 or 1234 because you might need it during pairing. Once done, sit in the driver's seat and focus on the sync screen on the infotainment system to begin. You now use the sync interface. Tap phone, then add a device or Bluetooth depending on your model. Make the system discoverable and watch your phone's Bluetooth list for the vehicle name. Tap it. When prompted, confirm the PIN shown on both the sync screen and your phone. This secures the connection. After pairing, grant permissions on your phone for contacts and media so calls and music work. If sync asks to set as primary device, choose yes for automatic future connections. You finish by testing. Place a call and play audio to confirm both phone and sync are linked correctly. Make sure volume and source are set to Bluetooth on the head unit. If something fails, restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or power cycle the car's infotainment by turning ignition off then on. A key troubleshooting tip. If connections remain unstable, clear pairings on both phone and sync and repair. This resolves most conflicts without deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.